What's up guys, it's go time. Everything regarding the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, including the full spec sheet, has arrived. This completes the whole episode of the Galaxy Note 20 leak saga. I mean, it's been a fun ride, so I'm going to be taking a look at this. But the breaking news we have right now is that Samsung has just made the Galaxy Z Flip 5G official. This is Samsung's first phone to have a Snapdragon 865 Plus chip, which confirms that the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra is also getting that in the US and South Korea, China and Canada. And yes, I can hear those sad Exynos noises in the background. It's true, oh it's true, the crap that is the Exynos 990 is inside the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra international model, as confirmed by this spec sheet. So apart from the Exynos 990, the spec sheet reveals some other information. So the final size of the display is indeed 6.9 inches. It's a dynamic AMOLED display coming at 120Hz refresh rate with LTP, of course. This is only for the Note 20 Ultra. The normal Note 20 will stick to 60Hz. Now as for the protection, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is mentioned as the world's first smartphone to rock Gorilla Glass 7. This is pretty crazy because just last year they introduced the Gorilla Glass 6 with the Galaxy S10, and just in a matter of 1 year we have a new Gorilla Glass 7 coming with the Note 20 Ultra. It may have something to do with the specific screen size of the Note 20 Ultra, which is near 7 inches, but all in all, it's gonna be really good. Now before I talk about other exciting details of the Note 20 Ultra, I do want to give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Filmora Go. Filmora Go is a powerful free video editing application for Android and iPhone users that gives you some pro level video editing tools right on your phone. It is especially handy for editing TikToks or YouTube videos on the go when you don't have access to your studio, all by just on your phone. It allows you to add text to your videos, huge range of sound effects and free music. You can even color grade your videos to your liking or use the built-in presets for that cinematic look and much more. Best of all, it's absolutely free, so definitely check out Filmora Go for your Android or iPhone. The link is down below in the description. Now looking at the camera specs, everything is similar to the S20 Ultra, but Samsung has introduced a brand new laser autofocus system to assist in fast autofocusing, especially in video. Samsung has also completely changed the zoom setup, so now we have a proper 5x optical zoom on the Note 20 Ultra, which is a little bit more than the 4x of the S20 Ultra. And as we have talked about before, the 100x zoom is dead. It is coming with 50x limit, as confirmed by Jimmy is Promo. He actually posted some material via hands-on of the Note 20 Ultra. Now interestingly, it seems like Samsung has dropped the 40 megapixel front camera of the S20 Ultra, and they're actually using the 10 megapixel one on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now in my usage, I haven't seen a major selfie difference on the S20 Ultra compared to my Galaxy S20. Samsung has also added some pro video settings. We can now shoot videos in 21:9 aspect ratio, so both 8K and 4K is available in the new resolution. This is something that we'll most likely see on the S20 Ultra as well via a software update. One of the most exciting feature, which is the wireless text, it's also confirmed via this leak. So this is one feature that a lot of power users will love. There is no need for cable or Samsung DeX or anything. You will do this wirelessly without any issue. Now another big thing is that we have a 9 millisecond delay with the S Pen, which is almost negligible when you're using it, and it's on par with the iPad. So now the S Pen experience will be really good. 4500 mAh battery that can charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. As for the official colors for the Note 20 Ultra, is coming in the Mystic Black and Mystic Bronze color. Of course, I'm gonna go with the Mystic Bronze, but yeah, overall design looks amazing. As I've said before, much better than the S20 Ultra. A lot more depth going on in almost every area. I really appreciate these camera rings that are color coordinated, and we also have those rings on the side of the whole camera bump. As for the normal Note 20, here are the colors. We have the green, gray and bronze color on launch. I'm pretty sure Samsung will make more colors available in the future. So Roland mentioned that Samsung will make a white Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G model. It will be only specific to the European markets, but what could be a problem for Samsung is the Exynos 990 processor. It is a 2.7 GHz octa-core CPU. That is actually the same clock speed as the Galaxy S20 family, so this could mean that Samsung has done pretty much nothing to the Exynos 990 processor, and it's still coming with the same kind of stuff that we have already seen, and that is actually very concerning if it is indeed true. We're just a few days away from the official announcement, and usually these leaks from Roland, which come out very near to the official announcement, they always do come out to be true. So this very well sealed the deal for the Note 20 Ultra. I'm sure people out there who are not tech nerds like us, they probably might not care about this, but yeah, Exynos 990 is a big issue. Now last but not the least, Samsung is about to bring a new cloud gaming to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra through the Xbox Game Pass. This is a collaboration with Microsoft. Apparently Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will come with a Xbox Game Pass that will give you access to more than 90 games, and so you should be able to play this game on the Note 20 Ultra via the gaming cloud, and it's going to be like a portable game console. I'm pretty sure Samsung will be advertising this massively. So that's all we have on the Note 20 Ultra. I have to say it looks like an absolute monster, at least with the Snapdragon 865 Plus chip, the wireless DeX, the new S Pen performance with the 9 millisecond delay, and of course the Gorilla Glass 7. It is mentioned that it's going to be the first phone with Gorilla Glass 7. That's going to be really exciting. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.